Um, Hello everyone. Onyame adehye, osomfo ohwefo nie. Baby a wo bia, beto me safra. I'm waiting. Ene ebesua bibi kakra bi wo tronum. Ene ebekasa kakra bi e wo tronum. Ade bia Mame ya Gifty Puma, God bless you. Me ba cha oba so anu wa sha man. Enioma bia aye ahintasem e wo tronum. Obroni beka say mystery. Gifty Puma, keep it up. Keep it up the good work. God bless you, Gifty Puma. God bless you so much. Please share. We are about to learn. Share. We are about to learn. And yababe sua ade ba ko an kwasem se de bia so fon de preach. Na so mo du hon ma no ma kan tra no mo twam no mo huru no mo kọ. Omo ya no mo de age omo collection. Ai. Ena yababe kasa e de afa Genesis chapter 25 verse 29 to 34. And ehone ye ba besua na misro obasoa you share the live broadcasts. It's about time we need to unveil the hidden secrets and mysteries in the Bible. Me say asofo ndo do no mo kirekire nanso no emu kirase pa de oboa. Most of them are lucky. Most of them, because they don't know they don't learn. Omunya jina kasa tietia mu wieji collection wi no nom dia brabon fato ho dia mama saa na die twa wo twanu mu a twa se omo kire na ti ase yetimi de bo bra no boa ene no na me wo hwefo sansafo no Isaac Achampong prophet, my prophet. Oh, what's my handsome prophet? You are also my handsome prophet Isaac Achampong, great one. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless you. Me sure abread money any cost no one bibia say. Never type it about or commenter. You type it, you bring it on board, and then we share among ourselves. Nyansa ni ba ko fotirim. Uwo bibia oni mu chan me. Me hwa kwan se me hwa bibia firi ho anadwi. Me so ba so anu a share. Invite people to come on board. And I'm saying Kasafa, Genesis chapter 25 to 29. Genesis chapter 25 verse 29 to 34. And then you didn't come afa Esau and in Jacob ho. Esau and in Jacob ho. Prophet, all right, I'll be waiting for you. I'm hoping to catch you home this week. Yeah, you know you've been my best body ever. No one comes close between us. Already Nyankopon Israel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the faith. You keep investing in me. I know the good Lord will bless you. Okay. Me say Esau eni ni nua Jacob. Ye ba besuam ho ade. Empempi no ayana ya de kasa preachi. Wisdom is speaking. God bless you. Aduke, man of God, more fire. Yes. Aduke, God bless you. Please share the live broadcasts. Share the live broadcasts. And the Lord will bless you. My blood. Prophet Isaac Achampong. God bless you so much. Me say Esau. Wani ni nua Jacob. Adi esi omon tamono. So. Na efri nyame. Ana se na ye. Neja anene na. Oman kasa enhyehyeye. Mame nkenkan twone kakra bi. Ni ewia. Na fe ni abie ma tensemu. Me so wa dwenkyira afabra. O question afabra. Oba so please kindly share for us. Kindly share. Etifias was Esau sells his birthright. Was na Esau what turning in penny in die. Na ni nyina mo no am say story dey unim dada. Etimi nsadan kenkan mu nkom bebre. Was na branche Esau ni Jacob. Na omu ye nuafo. Na awofo omu de sa nuafo we ba asase we so no. Na ye frɛ baako Isaac. Ana ne ye frɛ baako so Rebecca. San nkofo we ye nkofo na omu ye onyankopɔ ahotuafo. Na nyame ne omu nenam. Anokwa samne say awo ye de mama mi ani e fa no Rebecca. Eno trodum pempenso bi na wonyin sa ye no. Wotenka wona wotwa mu say nyoma ye koso no ampa na wotwetwe no ahoto ani na ye funu mu enti okwa abusa. Meti se wo nyame ba wo nyame de hye na wo yi abusa fi wabrabo mu wabrabo no enkoye. Eye akwa abusa. O honum na so Kristo ni ogidi ni se biribi enkoye mfama wa entrase entra Methodist asore dem ho enko a entra Pentecost asore dem ho enko a ko ba bi odifo bi wo ko ba bi odifo wo nyankopon difo a adom ne wo sa hye ne ma na wo we wo hyebre na se bibi wo na se hinta a waka kire wo odi ho dwuma ana wo to ho na mo tudo na ewu tudo na esai tudo na eyira because of say they have been blindfolded with false teachings. I na difo abanye enti enko ba bi atena ha ya mi wan so yare no amane no a woto kwa na ekoso na no me nkofo bi hia kai mu ana mu edi adifo atam omudi one man churches for atam na me hwobudi na so me kan nyina ne say mo a Pentecost for Methodist for Apostolic for mo a mudi one man churches for atam no mo kro ye edu wukuada ye wada edu efiada mpaibo a mo na mo gye ho hye ho ma na wiase no panyefo se onyanko senewa ne wotan adoma chede na mugu ahodo and it's one team we yase it means you don't understand God. A brother see so from panyefo bi ade ani hye mo no anase ye hye mo hye mo no omo no kurade ani ahoya omo chai na manyam adwuma koso because empempi no mo ponkofo bebre aso omo sisi nipa bebre frefre nipa bebre ni e wo nyankopon adwuma ho. Bible say ma me ane fa ne Rebecca ano ye Isaac ne yire ni chochomcho wo say nyinsa na wafa no onti bibia se entu okwabusa na okwabusa na onyamedifo ne kacha ne say me ebofra mienu a wo wotwa mu a omugina homa aman mienu na some from mienu yom ya aman mienu anokwa asem ne say omontam na nkasa no ense da enyo sa omodi akodie ebefiri omo awotwa mu ade be pie asase we so enti ma me afa Rebecca de wo ne mani nyina no wonim de besie na yenhwe edum pempenso bia ewo Genesis chapter 25 verse 29 to 34 habano wasina Esau na eba panyini na oye obofo na Jacob de na oye enwan hwesofo anasa na oye oshafo anande shepherd enti abrante Esau aya no ohwemu ebu okodi 1 week ebi okodi 2 weeks no maaye because ahadwo na wokono aya na okọ chiri enti ya no wo cheye pa enti na ko ba fie no na akomo de no na ni nua keto ye fa no Jacob na waye atebia abomu omo se ya atebia abomu o me de minim de mateno no temi nso me kabi na obai na wakacha nua se me nua ma me bini ana me nua se me mawo wo de bia wo hyimu a wo mmra no na aduane ya wurade no obedi aya asua aduane ye temi de aduane we pa de me mawo ana tro no e ka wa ha se ekodum pempenso bia na etwa se verbally Esau na odi ni mpanidie oton aduane nti ademani nua keto efa ni Jacob ampa chonaka eziansu azumi se esisa me de bia me ka se Bible na da no sometimes there are so many contradictions and there's a word tiem nya twen a asema me kan me wi a wo no you will testify yourself enti papa efa ni Isaac na ni so ide wisi e bread se okona janom enchan ene omokoda etina etwase wo hira ne ba panyini aye fa no Esau ana mama Rebecca ti ba bia tete ba bia no te se no Esau na braba wo da na die na di nkan wo Nyankopon se ye mumu ebe ware a wonko ye fie anase ye nchi enko wore fie abuhia mu bone de wo sa asen ba bia okoware ye no akware free amamamufo enchan eni tununya de a me preso the woman or the mother had a very good intentions and they are clear because adidie wo fie a ye hwe eba na ni wo fi eda fom na de anidie eden anase adidie ama no fine entu maame ye friend Rebecca of akwati kwan bi so ama ne baketo a ye friend no Jacob mom etimi ede odwan wo makata ne ho ekogye enhira efri ni papa nchen hwe tie me wa wo tie me emu obia na ada wo da woni pa biara no wono ma obetimi de odwan wo ma akata wo ho na nani afra sadie ben nani afra sadie ben no de ne sabe so me won timi hu the difference between the skin of an animal and the skin of a human being. And some be back on you. The contradictions in the Bible. Papa your friend Isaac, all his lifetime, or Shane Yang, eti ofili, the skin of Ojino anytime. Obi Ojo Biano. Or yana the court was what in Sabekanimwa. Sometimes Obasha ho. Eti Prophet Harrieta Owari. God bless you. Thank you for coming on board. Please, Oba, you share the live broadcast. Already Yankupo Shamo. Papa no oyo dwahwa fofi ni mo frase bremu. Enti me kan tell me say so opanya for Isaac na ne frase de mpo a so also the skin of an animal mu a want me and testify. As we're trying to say, Rebecca ekum odwan ana ode ne woman man ne ba is Jacob kata ne ho ana wo koy na papa no na ne afranti ode ne sake kan ya no ohunu se ampa me ba Esau ne honam nie nemom no he couldn't testify say na ye abo dwan enwa na bofra no e de akata ne ho. Does this make sense? It doesn't make sense. Anya no krada nemom no biblically me want to say odwan a omukun no omene switching the blessings that was meant for Esau spiritually to be overtaken by Jacob. That is the only meaning. So apostle omukun odwan dia then that odwan that sheep was meant as for a sacrifice to switch the blessings that was meant to be given to Jacob. Esau. The blessings of Esau, because Esau, one another a year, but penny and nature say, would di a dear no in Shani Badaso. It is almost Kumojaya, then nobody will join him with a sacrifice, and then switching and Shani free Esau and some at the command. Only by friend Jacob. Never on can't me say, Papa, friend Isaac, he couldn't feel to know their skin, or the difference between their skin of an animal, of a sheep, and that of a skin of a human being. In fact, his own son. No, and you no credit da. And you no credit. Okay, what the young chum honum? Ava godun kwan penso bia. Esau was him afọ ba fie no. Papa nani afra. Was Esau ko wura mu koku enam a me pene fa be yaduane ma me ni na me nhira wo. Abranta no so ampa ode aso yo hu se nhira ba dia e de me ntutu na so no so hyimu but okoba ye no asema ne papa e fa no Jacob o ka tse e ba panyina e fa no Esau ne se enya no wadi nka baba gi nhira wonua ketua ana baba gi nhira ene waye wade o na me nim. I couldn't know the difference between the skin of an animal and the skin of that of a human being. My own son, of course. It's what be deceiving me about Shanako. Let's see, some papa can ya reward. Was in Shana the Asa. Now, so bet me a cantina one. So bet to me a cantina one. Aha. Anna me pon a one. Okay, young shall symbol Genesis chapter 10. Let me buttress my point with Genesis chapter 10. Me read your mouth. There is a huge mystery here. Sa Esau ni shira bono na enshira no beka Jacob nsa. Na Jacob Esau di abufuo ani ahometia atatade ni anso obekuno na enu ti wadwane akono ofanchan awo oman foforo so kuro foforo so akwakosom anya no se tam ba bra wo ba no ne nua na yɛse asade aka no asase aka no srade nim ne nua na yɛse ne nua ketwa gye ne sira na no just wo bre no ne nua na wonye nsa no call ya Jacob eba no na Esau was already blessed. How come we are so for na ka kire mo pen? Lydia Kusiapia, my name. God bless you, Pastor. God bless you to Lydia. Please, when you come, you share. Make your focus. See, the radical yamame. I am decoding mysteries in the Bible. Now, my child say, and when you told you, do I saw for the church on the no. Me church tradition. Me church tradition and Christianity. Me di no. And we say what see me me pa chow. Semie pa ensembia mi kan bia to bu ne fama ba na fa bobra ne beboa enti ne me se aye dan ana papa ye friend Isaac otimi ka kire ne ba a wono awo no se enhyane dia sabi ne hobiem de mo asase na aka ne srade nim ebre na bebre na mo so otimi ye adwumaden dia otimi ye adwumaden dia obetimi adie now yemfa hia adwene mo Esau wani ni Jacob na biblically na Jacob mom asua onyankopon hu nimde afri ni papa Isaac nkyɛn because na obani papa ne mo Esau de na wo ye gangster ɛna kebeka so ye gangster because na ni fie na ni na fom saa ɛno ti no ayɛ na Esau na wo ma nyame ɛno ti ni hira bɔ no na wo ma nyame no nsua the first of all occurred from the land of the Edomites, which was against the constitution the Lord gave them. And it should tell you, say, so you'll be an empire, but one pet. No one said I'm Fanyanko sa. But a year day and a Jacob or Cobreya or Kosumoye for 14 good years. None of a Laban, a blessing, no one ya money kwa, oh bano, oh bano. Oh bano no nim se oba be nnuama na wanya no bi na oba be che enu bi na oba be che na wayi bidia ma ne nua panyina osisi no afa Jacob but ode nnuama na ma ne nua Esau no sorry ode nnuama ne ma ne nua Esau say Jacob wo ye me nua keto so nim sa ha ho na me kro no manya me ho I have everything so I don't need your money I don't need your sheep I don't need your cows I don't need anything take it I'm okay ayeda na brante ni yan nhira me mo hu se wiase o nipa pe enye nyame pe na obiaro nso ne wono ma ne hyebre bo ne mo maso papa ne friend Isaac ono ani bampo no he was so spiritual Isaac was a spiritual man he was a prophet too but he could not tell where the blessings of his own son would come from but yenhwe ahintasam no e Genesis chapter 10 making kai kakrabi Atifiason was say nations descended from Noah. Nations descended from Noah. Pato Bible na be Genesis chapter 10. Ye kanya adi ababesi verse 8 no. Na fema breaking na ye chichichichim. Was now this is the genealogy of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And sons were born to them after the flood. The sons of Japheth were Gomer, Magog, Madal, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. The sons of Gomer were Ash, Kenas, Riphath of Gomer, Riphath, and Tagama. The sons of Javan were Elisha, Tarsis, Kittim, and Dodanim. From these, the coastland people of the Gentiles were separated into their lands. Everyone according to his language, according to their families, into their nations. Verse 6. The sons of Ham were Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. The sons of Cush were Sheba, Havilah, Sabbath, Ramah, and Sabtekak. And the sons of Ramah were Sheba and Dedan. Cush begot Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one on the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Therefore, it is said, like Nimrod, the mighty hunter before the Lord, and the beginning of his kingdom was Babel. Eradin Shra Assembly Somaye. Tie. Enso yiri na chi no. Noah wo mama akoma miensa. The odin kan ne fa no Shem. The otoso mi ne fa no Ham. The otoso miensa na ye fa no Japheth. Now, Mama Fanko Genesis chapter 1 coming. Abra wa one of God Adam ni Eve. Ama wo Nyankopon honhom firi omo nsam no. Tumi a ana power onyamedi ma omo efiri omo nsam koye no. They were naked. They were empty. And this all can catch on now. Bible says na bra Onyankopon ye se oba edi tro no mu abahwehwe omo no. Wo se wo duru wo na wo hunu nipa. Onyamio na wo hunu nipa. And it's what Sam said, Adam, where are you? Because they had already gone into a hiding place. So when you go poor boss on your say, not away me. So what did God the one you know who you panel? The pastor is to tell you, say, it wasn't a physical thing. It wasn't a physical thing. So Adam na onyame no oni Adam ne yire na omu delete spiritually, solely spiritual. So it was more or less like say we connected two Bluetooth together. There was a phone, you know. Now we connected via Bluetooth. And now Zenda. The moment one will go off or disconnect, the other, even if it is on, can never locate the other to catch up or to connect. And it's me. And so when you go pon frere onipa Adam, I will add in throne. Now one no should tell you say. To me, Emma Onipa connected to Nyankopono, it was lost, it was gone. So, based on that, they had already covered themselves with the leaf of a fig tree. And I mean, who ya say no, Matewoni Adam, bra, what really went on, what transpired, and then I Cynthia, what the Produma Habam Nachi, and I see Bo, Ombo Mamma near, not a trusted Yesibia, SC. Ano Nyankopon se sanetia dia meko aboa na mede aboa ne ngoma no na wuso junior already share. Thanks for watching. Please you come on board and then you share. Please share the live broadcast. We are decoding and unveiling mysteries in the Bible. So ahinta nipa na chira fo no chira na so mutimi kan siasie enkyere yase na omudo no matwa fa so ana Isaac ka kire Esau say so bia obetimi akankire ho dia ya mumusa so fo no say na ye na Esau timi di yie Esau ko fo no yie die no wan si a change Jacob die so ko so ni ba no fa laba nchen oban wo di sraba na Esau no ni se ko nya free hefa ye no mabusa so fo no. It's about time you need to wise up, study. So who share there? There are a whole lot of mysteries. I will take my time to decode them one after the other. I'm what's here. One was off on the toe. Say, oh, sorry, I near Tumfutobu and call D for her and go at her near Fababu Cotation be near Canada, near Chum. What the Honam, a year Christonia, Uberia Honam, now baby, the Hiano of Brandy and we are here. I'm telling you. I will unveil all the mysteries. I ya chadia on your media mammy. Na men comment na so. Mecha, me no beche. Na so hu. Want to twana mo yi. Se Christo nipa. Ano tino tie me. Aboa onyankopon kun na. Wode eye enkata ho edema Adam ne yire no. Me pa cho na it wasn't just to cover them. Na mo wode tumi na wura mu. Enti so hwa so a. Sa okọ facha me. Ye na nanoma bosomsomfo na mame fo mani die mu omo sa okọ mu sra ba mu a obo se so mo ye dufa ne sa bansere ne ade na omo de leather na eye ho no mu sua ye Satan ade bia nyame ye bia na okope no osua no ofa no de aye na de enti leather na onyankopon de ma Adam ene ne yire no ekata omo ho no it was full of power nyame de tumi wura mu because anyoma na nyame abonyina na o de tumi awura mu na tumi wonwiam na tumi womwom imagine say wunipa tumi bia ne wona ne sasabon something wom obetiwa papa wasum atietia so atamwa mene because that time you know So okay, kind of extra biblical account right from say onyankopon ni pattern is what you know or cause see enmity between the snake and that of the man and the wife. And so why and what be no onyame ye bia na hu bia no onyame bia kwa to mu se ombetuma ni patamfo. The free sabra ko ni pantimi ni sebo ani agro biem. Oni pantimi ni jata ani agro biem. Oni pantimi ni sasaku ani agro biem. Or the ashet to oni pan someone in town. That is the more reason as to why onyame drive Adam ni Eve every edin tom no. Because already no wadin kan the ade abo enkwa aduan ho no wadin kan je ho dada. No wadin kan ma bofo so mo konwen dada. Etenye no tira nyame pam mo free mu. Because nemom no aye emodoma no no mu no so mo tirema they might end up harming them. But what you say? Yanko ye ni moya. And the sa and woman na onyankopon de ma Adam no esansa ne yatumi nti no owo ye no odijane ba ne fa no obewu no odijane ba ye fa ne Set na Set nso awo bia wo ba opena sema na odi ade na ma no enti sa enwoma no ebe ka woni pa bi ye fa no obi ti se Metusala nsa ebe ka obi ti se Enoch ensa woni pa bia sa leda no esa ntumi e wo meti na be ka ne sa bia no automatically na a transforming no na say nipa no ye unique among the peers, among the country, among the family. And mo bia won say you carry a special grace, a special strength. Na say de ne koka no wan sa e ma wonyankopon tu na ni hwe wiase nyina won say no indeed. This is the man I need to communicate with. This is the man I need to choose. It wasn't by grace. Because Noah was a drunkard. Noah no ye convince you. Enuntina na wo ya pomada ka no. No wo preaching na no mo sere no no. Wo convince na wo susu ho tene. Tina make catch us say, say evangelist phone crabim crassiphobia. Omo so na wo twam omo hwe addressing. No mo didi watano. Do you know God? Wo twam na evangelist bi wo tina bo wo hwe watari asa ka ko timi jaju du atam. Jina radio so ejina TV so edini patam sa simpan for kwasia nyame hu omu nyina mobo. Do you know God? When him criteria nyankopon de faso favor nipa. When him criteria nyankopon de faso ginipa. O say ye ne say de ogina o ye ne say o say de ye ne say ogina ho no won hwe no anhwe ase. And you know what was a drunkard though, but because of that thing, that leather, that garment, Ebeka ni sentino e ma wonya favor before God. As for no man can't tell, they will never tell you. But I'm here to let you know. I'm here to let you know the truth. Yes. And Rebecca no one son. Noah became exceptional. Noah became phenomenal. And it's no Nyankopon and namoso e save on any mako miensa and no mo yere. Now, and so yere na chino. Ah, omutu niema no. Ana already no na ne ba ye fra no Ham. Na wate no wa ba ye fra ne Ham. Na wate leda no ho abakwasam no wanim. Enti dako ana otita ne papa no wa na wada. So be kaya. Hro no edu ba bi nurse no wa na waboro tam. Ana ne ba ko aye akode ana kopa ne ho ntoma. Oye akode kopa ne ho ntoma no. Ana wadi ani bre dome ne ba no ipato na nya ntoma keke na ne ba no kopa ye na nya ntoma keke ana Ham okopa free ni papa efe no one ho dabi na mom no oye bo na dwene mu pose papa no obe free mu but o was so act smart wono ne fie na atwa sa enwoma ne badie sa greater garment no he was more interested in the leather garment but he didn't just go so okoko pane papa de jaso. No, does it make sense? Nemo ko wia leather garment no ana odi call ye. To odi call no odi ko see ye. Ana no wade ehun ani bra dome ya ne bana. Ana obey ne dan. Enti papa ye friend no Ham owo ba bia ne ye friend Cush. Verse 8 no pacho san homa me. Genesis chapter 10 verse 8. Ham, one of the sons of Noah. Ne papa modin kan won ye friend Cush. Ana Cush no so no obewo ne ba ye friend Nimrod. Nimrod. Now, the leather garment no ade ama Kush so on fancy. And the catcher say one fancy or pim say brebe soa obe yusu. And the Kush so say no, a chadia papa dia mami. And you afford the dosso. Miss me the best see ko pim say mewo babema. And the Kush no so awo Nimrod. And the Nimrod and at the age of just 20 years per. And a neighbor panel a year. And woman no leather garment no. And woka and what because 7 years the channel bano. And also make catch say, Sadia way a exceptional. When you probably beckon in Sabia no be great before God and before men. It me the mount, say. And it's a branch of funny Nimrod, as say, leather garment no. Automatically, and when you're home, a banish. He became so exceptional. Nimrod became a great person. Nimrod was extraordinary. And the Entokobi see among Noah, as if for now, Satan no more dorino. And Esan said, Kush. Sorry, Esan said, Nimrod. Never pa aye feno, Kush. What they a chadiana, a ye garment and the man no. A one or say, and what they could be a con. The other was say, what they on the he was able to conquer all the people on the earth in that war. And automatically, they made him the king over them. God's way, agents. God bless you so much. Please share the live broadcast. We are decoding mysteries. We are decoding mysteries and histories in the Bible. And not to know, a branch for Nimrod, a share that garment, no, automatically, obenya hoden into a kwakon wadin kunim. Ama omunyina wonu say a branch da bi waya sonko yemu. Ne hoden o wani monyam sunsun kutano. Me see wi asese wo bobra na hwehwe sunsum akira kwan. Se sunsum ne mu a, among all the people after the flood on the earth, Nimrod, because of so 2 minutes, he became king. They made him king. What you now and now, you don't be a spiritual Christian, not a carnal Christian. Never. Me see onyani won't go heaven. No, onyani won't go heaven. Abrabonso. So the sunsumuba and odi ye na ebi kenshano. Wonya bi na ebi kan foforo. E de wi sunsuma kira kwan. Entena faako. Aya atako abusa. Aya atako adifo nchan. Enshaw da mo mpaye. O wi aso obi anadom achade. Ufiri bo mpaye fasting. Aka wade no ba wade ankwa ware. Ufiri bo mpaye fasting. Ekwan bi na ebeba anka ba. Panyifo se ewo bi na wie bi. Adom achade emugu ahodo. Obi aso ne de. Enti wo ko hospital e o doctor wo hwe ani, de wo aso wo hwe aso, de o pani payam obi ane ne de. E ma osofo ni na dawo. E ma osofo ni na dawo. Radisha, share the live broadcast. But you want to be here. You are entitled and welcome to ask. But you want to be here. Me pacho Fabra na feno na yenyina yembobo hu. Erade Nyankopon hira. Eno ti no King Nimrod. So be Babel. Krobini from Babel. Sanko for the omabien se ombesa bansoro. Amana kwakopim Nyankopon. Ne tena bia. Na Bible says Nyankopon hye wo mudin. Ahunu say indeed sa abrante we ya woti ekwo we nemu ya hwe ya. Omo betinya sidan na baba kan yampa. Ana Awurade Nyankopon dispatch angels. Ana omo be mercy omo languages. Hono ana confusion started by nipa mu. Hono ana busuan titimu sha asese esi. Pato what you say. Ni sa wo hina wodi o manimu no. Sa wo hina na ye fa no Nimrod. He was the first king on earth. Now not a black. Not a black man. This what is I say before. No what do me maybe a free no. He was a black man. Nimrod, the first king on earth, was a black man. Now, see me. It's Nimrod. Nimrod no o create empire. It's empire no o create ye no. O papa bi ane fa no. Tyra. Na sa Tyra we Oyano the chief defense minister in his kingdom. Anutino Tyra Odinka will maybe a friend naho. Ano wo ya be wo eba otoso miensa. Ana ani e frano Abraham. So ni ma Abraham ne papa ne Tyra. Na sa Tyra no so no na Nimrod no ne kingdom na hinie mo no me se na oye the chief defense minister na owo dibrewum. Omo kwa akon ne die ni mu. Anutino ewomu a ana Abraham owo ne be di nkan ana wo de otoso mienu ana wo de otoso miensa enti yewu Abraham no ana yakwakoto ne badin satam no so yewu badin bi a naming ceremony na ekoso enti eti se otumfo wasantemam na bia sumankwa hene wawo ba na ye ni naming ceremony no de wantimi nko ba betu na hemfo ni bi na call grace occasion no sa na siye. So the wise men of King Nimrod graced the occasion. I mean the naming ceremony of the child that was born called Abraham. And some of what upon to an aseno. I don't know say and I do the show and so be at timber form a chum. Now and someone was so strange. And to the wise man of Nimrod, Omukons or Komukons Romanumano, and the moon said no, Abofana Yawono. And on Suma nature mono. And they say, you yes, Christo. Not in Suma Chaman, Yansafoni Diach and Sape Pepe, or the Pobia one was Suma Pie. A tip make a say, when you Pebiano, or war, or Bano, it does all about home buying, right from the scratch. No one in Suma home, I said, be a bay for being Numan Sunaman. Because we are so carnal Christians. Ya so for no Masaya unity, or be war by no. On fa foda watan war enware abofra ne da wo kan se enye ei what me hunu nyansa mfa nkasa me de nchine kura egu nsoma dwane abofra no sabiro bi woni fie no se efie no ye wo a ade we ne di dware mofra o se da bi aya baisam be wise so bebre you there aya baisai aya sai e be no wi bi dia am robi no me koso nyina no right from the scratch o mo sabra ne sai no. Ye sham Suleman mudi akofra ne baye ni ye toy enwema bone de mamofra no. And I blame most of our pastors and most of our churches for all these things. Emma Remfi anyasa fo no di yesu nsuma chi koye na e de ma miasa no me de koye. De din kan ye sika. De to so mienu. Ah? Ne ye fra no. Oh, ade we. Oh, remind the Holy Spirit, kai me. Krobo. Yakasa kroba. Udim dia kudi krobo ye. Krobo ye di dware mofra. Sada bia mofra no, omudi padua no baya den. No mo sunsun no so baya den. Krobo. Eya buso bia. Krobo. Ti Yesu agem kwan me ba no mpo no ye wo no ye de krobo dware no. But then obi at Pentecost sorry them. Apostolic sorry them. Na owo ne mame anena na bi kasa yemfa haba wanware abofra na o se yabo sam na mame mpene da ane mo ne mese se mo ka tete atempon na madwina kwa akira be bom yi. Don't be a carnal Christian. Don't be a nepios. Mr. Obaso has shared the live broadcast. We are unveiling secrets and mysteries in the Bible. Ye be bia so da na dia mani pa nyina hu. Ye dane nyoma. We are the new generations. Just you can some manipa hunu because ni pa yira. Ya de bompa ye kaba. Ya fasting. Ade aba mi anwene ye ho. Already so bibia Sakina Ibrahim. God bless you. God bless you. Please share the live broadcast. Share the live broadcast. Share the live broadcast. Share the live broadcast. My mentor won kasa o so a woni na eko. Already Nyankopon sha pa. Anything no Abraham ne sunoma no na omu shemu no mu say Abraham asini ne nana bi obeba wona daachi obeba betu Nimrod ahini agu na waji na ahini afiri ne nsam ento mu shemu no asmo hina ne kan say Sunday said that what do we do? Enti wa hina your friend Nimrod as at that time in the kingdom of Babel. As Abraham Paulina Frimpoma, may God bless you. May God bless you. Please share the live broadcast. Share the live broadcast. Me, I will not prophesy to you. I'm a prophet, all right. Offer for now from here. You better make them come on. Name Hadi. I'm here to teach you. Over from me 0541206626. God bless you. See me. I know what he never Nimrod or say Abraham fan I Tyra or yet Abraham papa. On fabo fan and fanny man him fear honor. To call ye no say unim say musioba no one no. Anna Tyra say Adentia or so ban way musioba fanebran yim kono. And this a winima Abraham ya wo no no ye di ni dwane. Sadi ye di Yesu Kristo edwane ne mofrase bremo no. So ni ma Abraham ye di ya wo no no ye di ni dwane. Edi ni kosie ye. Sadi e beya ohina ye fa no Nimrod onya bofra ni nkono. Ade sadi ye di Mose ekosie ye no. Woni pa bia wo ye great bia in life bia no sometimes etoda wonyame etwa so odi wo sie. Etia na anwum we ya me de pai wo se Sawadi ye kosia no ritini ye Sawadi ye kosia no de hintasem tra ye tie basa ye ko mano e basa ye din hwe no fiso no nimnia wo ye em ya se mini voice am de betonyo etu oni pa bia to de wonyame twa so odi wo sie. Sometimes oko try moment ma aya nyabotre aya nyawotwan aya tobo abra obu afuo no abra ho yira no aya hwa no kasa yiye sanse onyame na yasom no otimi ye bibia na wope oni brem eno tie de abofre fa no Isaac Tyra a special nurse tetania kasa nurse aya te say maid aye tuaneka awodi Abraham edwade ko obutan bi mu konye no etiatete Abraham obutan ma to a certain level bi anya de ne koma onipa ye frɛ no Noah no ye Tyra ni nana satam na enipa nyini che zoni ma Abraham Noah tete no Noah odinkan edi nyamesuro nyankopon honimde etete Abraham because ne papa Tyra nankasa no one said nim nyankopon. So God didn't just call Abraham. No. Ana was and then ana Abraham ohonoma ede nyame frɛ no. Who told you? Abraham was a special child. Abraham was a special, he was already ordained and chosen by God. Yet the Abraham quantity Noah and the Abraham. Me say Noah and the Abraham. And all inculcating the spirit, the custom of God, how to serve God, how to worship him, how to make sacrifices unto God. Noah actually Abraham. The Abraham was refined by his own grandfather, his own great-great-grandfather called Noah. But among chiramo, Mamim Bonitia, me trambesia samso. Mesen koma minu din komo concerning a panya Jacob. Oni Esau, na Esau yeba panyini. Na Jacob yeba ketua. Na enshirano ekodi Jacob onchain. Na Isaac wo yo nyame difo ni nyame nam. Wantimi ehu abofra ye fe no Esau esebremu anka chense sei na obeye. Ne mo no ka che ne se me ba ensane de onu aketo no age ko bibie ni honom. Asase na aka no srade bia ni so. Ana osine mo se wo kente ne ho de obedi yi. Ana me sambu se wa ha se ayade ban ana Jacob a odi nhira nam wono ko bre ye na wonya nhira wonya sika wonya ma wonya nkoa wonya mfunumu anantwie wonya friends double nya akokɔ enya enwan kan ho a wo ba wodi wonim sɛ ne nua na wogi nsanefo ne nsam no wo baba no waye mo bonti woye na beso wo che na japade no miɛnsa na brɛ ne baako na so bae no ne nua panyi se da bi okɔ ne mimadi ye o mimadi ye metem wase manya sika mempa wo hwe me se eso ono so nhira no ohofa ne he nti omu kwan no mudu wono ma na Isaac ana okacha Esau say esan dia san na ada so we cry preaching they was then Jacob mpebra said I mean omu preaching anyhow haphazardly. They must learn munya sabu yine kinkamu concept. I mean you must learn. I mean deep down to the nitty-gritties of the scriptures. And when people are tired of obeying here and look for her and don't run to Kurwemu and a year send your boy, yes, people are tired. Adibia wundi woman. So one sure and one bakwasama won't me and you're perfect to muda. Bible is all about history. The Bible is about history. Or Christianity is about history. So Christianity isn't just only about the New Testament, as people are so much interested in. But the Old Testament plays a very pivotal role. Eti osophobia kofo ni atwero se fa enchene nefa prekase na yam nefa dwaria apamfo frɔfrɔnsi efiri nyame efiri bonsam efiri wo nanane wo se onyame nso ye nyina no ma entiase eno tire me se ehena Esau okofa ni nhira no madinka ka kira wo se wo hene Nimrod no ma hwa wo se eye Abraham abofra ya wo no wono na sini ne dedehye ana beba beku wo hene Nimrod no baba gini tumi na ni monyam na hene na firi nsam eno ti no Nimrod ne wise men titeno ye ka wise men a and the Moses eko Misraim na onyame ema ne kwanya mo ne the wise men of Pharaoh shia na wade ne poma to wonom na wise men of Pharaoh so do omode to wo na obia de da na wo no titeno ye ka so be a wise men a or the second for what being what basic. So they were able to read the stars of the child to know his future. And don't you know the Korean say okay, you're the Abraham Johnny. And don't you know you're quite tena I'm afraid no when you know akosra ne papa Tyra ewo kura na omuomu no eti omuomu na ne kopa se no BBC metwanitia ewa ana omu no se no sabo frana ne efe no Abraham na ne epenaku no se papa a ye frane Tyra dada yen eti wo hina frane Nimrod what say Tyra ene ne ba Abraham na busua so atua so they had to leave. So Abraham had to flee from the place. Ti wakono anu ofa onu akasa ni nua ba efa ne Sarah anu ofa ne ofa asia ye fra no akoye Lot e kan ne ho anu mo tito tipa mo koye eti omo ba ye no ana won to so Abraham obewu Isaac owu Isaac no ana Isaac nso abewu Esau ana obewu Jacob eti ha no ana apamono ana say enkomson eba bebam eti momenta Esau ono na ne ho yira no wo hu de wonye no a Jacob so se wagi ni nhira kono na eye Esau so krabia ne sabra say obegwa ko se woni pa ye fe no Nimrod ohena na okuta garmenta onyankopon edima Adam na Adam I want to so bedi no one chain na Noah ba ye friend Ham okowi aye e ma wodome no dome na se eno ntiase Africa for ya dome ye na ho ne free se ma din ka kire I want also the man Ham e wo ne ba friend Kush no what this leather garment ne ma Kush na Kush so ba wo Nimrod na wo de be ma Nimrod e ma Nimrod ba ye o hene no na etwa se Esau so sebre ene ne nkrabia ne se woni sa wo hina fa Nimrod be ko di nhyiamu na sa garment no obejefu ni nsam. But the father Isaac could not tell. He didn't know. Mesibe woni pa bia ntimi nti woni pa bia sabre da. O ma me na wawo no, o papa na wawo no, won ntimi nti o sabre da. If a whole Isaac could not tell, say Esau kawakuma to yam, na mo no wo ekwan we na twa so fa so na so kodimi timi kodi ye, no wantimi anka ncha ne ba na. Mesi woni pa bia no obetimi aka wo sabre asada. Onipa sabre nkuta nipa. Onipa sabre onyame anadema onenim na emom no se wo hwehwa na wuhu enti me bone tofa de esi ye nie. Okay, kind of scriptures now. Genesis chapter 10 verse 8 now. Obamwati asese was Cush begot Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one on the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. He was a hunter. And Esau also was a hunter. Nimrod akuta ahinie ayetumi no na o a hunter. And Esau also it just obetimi ko exchange na wajitumi no. And they for me a new generation also. He was also a hunter. Enti Yakoba ne say Esau okwa ahayo bia ya no okwa chiri. Eti otimi wura mu ko Nimrod no na sia so. Eti moment bi obehu Nimrod bia no na ohu ne say Nimrod was his rival. He was his enemy automatically. Nimrod, he was a hunter. Eti odi ni nyina mu no aya no okọ ba okọ wone ne bodyguards na ekọ tideko ana Esau. He found the garment over the shoulders of Nimrod so enticing and appealing. So he was so much interested to steal it one day because none in Caribbean and Sabran H traded in a coho. Tideko and what titata ya who say Nimrod, our yo in the cassier. I know the Babel Chronosono or who say ampa the bodyguards no atsi omo kakra no tete papa no or the spear a giant war no ana odem ni kakofa garment no di dwane ye enti the source of riches, the source of fame, the source of greatness of Esau was that leather garment awonyakopon tititi no ode ma Adam e de cover ne ho no sa garment no ana didi ma be kan onipa ye friend Esau nsa e ma ne didi yie and ma kire open from today Google and find out and you will know if what I'm teaching you is true or not. Etimisrawo wonipa bia ne won mo betimi a kire nipa sabra kan hyew dabi abaifo betimi awridi o shabre abaifo betimi awridi o suruma but they can never stop you so bo ho to so o ma ho so a so bo to so a they can never stop you obia wo ni yede nyina so me se eno na o shabre risedi o bomoden ekonkoden etu ni shabre wona mo no ewie ni ye no odi nkunim me se shabre ye di abrabo shabre ye di sunsun ane pia shabre ye di sunsun ane pia shabre it's why we say me feel could be so much interested being spiritual than being carnal. Wow. Shabre na nyame dia ma no. Se wa mo bra mo ankum kodia. want to mean be papa bia was asu so da ewiase oni pa we the most dangerous person on earth ayo bia what finding rhythm with his destiny. Yes, me say the most dangerous person on earth is the one who has found rhythm with his destiny. Sani pano we ne dia enye ye da opa chinisha tuom opa chinisha minam opa uye day. So when Joseph found his rhythm to his destiny, nobody was able to stop him. It didn't matter the kind of tribulations he went through. No, it all couldn't stop him. Obaye okode fiase ye tono ye gunanima ase ye brono, but yet he still became a mighty one. He became famous. And I mean, we see him. My church, Mr. Some say, "What's here?" Ayana eto saying. And some say, "So what's here?" Ayana so we say no krana. Mr. So we need a free sabreko. Try to Google. Suade. So for no more friend yache. You be a portion of the Bible near read one near your church ma near the atoto brabo one near the achira no one now kwaso na akofie. If you na kro kachira won say you go deeper. Erade Nyankopon hira. Erade Nyankopon nya okese. Mi so wo comment bia na wo de aba. Onti bibia se a na watwero na wo de aba. Wo bibia so atwo ne fabra. Me so please continue to share. Continue to share. There are a lot of people that must know all these mysteries and histories in the Bible. And I believe that as we keep doing so, the good Lord will bless us. Already showing you now. Medini Oshefo Kusiapia. Me onyame difo. Sa wo hwe machira kwanya. From my number 0541 206626. Me no betana se di nkomo o frame ye be kasa wo phone so. Erade nhyira no nya okese. Me do ye pa. Nemum de odo wa ewie paye. Ene ni asafo Erade. Ono ni Jesus. Me de Yesu jaw. Erade nhyira onka ho. A china sabria. Ebe san to so. Bye bye.